Imagine losing a major client because your startup isn't SOC 2 compliant. It's a reality many face. SOC 2 isn't just a checkbox, it's a trust-building tool essential for business growth. Navigating SOC 2 compliance can feel like a labyrinth. Without expert guidance, the complexity and time commitment can overwhelm even the most seasoned teams. But there's a solution. With over 25 years in cybersecurity, Arrakis Consulting knows SOC 2 inside and out. Our tailored approach ensures your unique business needs are met, providing a seamless compliance journey. From preparation to post-audit, we offer end-to-end support. Our expertise transforms the daunting task of SOC 2 compliance into a manageable, stress-free process. We start by demystifying SOC 2 requirements, identifying gaps in your processes. Our team crafts a comprehensive roadmap, helping to ensure your team is audit-ready. Training is key. We equip your team with the knowledge and confidence needed to face the audit, minimizing disruptions and maximizing efficiency. Our pre-audit assessment identifies potential issues, providing a detailed report to guide you. We offer actionable insights to address gaps, ensuring you're fully prepared. With our support, your team is ready for the audit process. We minimize disruptions, allowing you to focus on what you do best, growing your business. Post-audit, we help interpret results and implement necessary changes. Our support doesn't end there. We ensure ongoing compliance and continuous improvement. We provide strategies for risk management, helping to ensure your business remains compliant and competitive. With Arrakis, you're always a step ahead. Ready to simplify your SOC 2 journey? Contact us today. Visit www.arrakisconsulting.com or email sales@arrakisconsulting.com. Let's make SOC 2 compliance a seamless experience. Partner with Arrakis Consulting for a less stressed SOC 2 compliance journey. Together, we'll build trust and unlock new business opportunities. Your success is our mission.